Hi, this is Tomato Tim at Costco, and Debbie and I are here doing our normal shopping, but we also look for top quality, low cost garden products when we're here. And there are three here right now that we highly recommend. This is first from a soil perspective, as I said in my video of how to go from a tomato zero to a tomato hero in a single season. One of the key things is to get um, the best soil that you can find and afford. And this is awesome soil that they have at Costco. Unfortunately, they only have it normally in the spring. So you need to buy ahead for any needs for your fall or winter gardens. But this soil is really, really good. It's the Miracle Grow organic. It's the Miracle Grow organic choice. And it is a 50 quart bag, which is a very large bag, and it's on sale right now for $9.59. So you're going to be hard pressed to find any better soil. When you go to Costco, look for this white, the one that's primarily the white background for containers. There's also one for raised beds, but we like this one, even the white one, even for raised beds as well. So again, look for this, and we'll show you a couple other things that they currently have at Costco as well. Again, they're seasonal items, unfortunately, but they're good, high quality, low cost items that you can use in your garden. So follow me over to the next area, and we'll tell you about those. So another item at Costco that's currently available at Costco is earthworm castings. And you may be asking, if you know us, you know that we've got a worm bin, but we love worm castings, and we actually don't produce as much as we want to use, so we buy some supplemental earthworm castings. And this is on sale currently for 12 pounds for $13. So we also highly recommend this if you don't have your own worm castings. And we'll show you one other item in Costco right now, the granular fertilizer that we recommend as well. One of the key items that we use in our garden when we run out of compost is organic granular fertilizer. It's a slower release fertilizer, so if you put it in your beds or in your grow bags, it'll take weeks to break down and slowly break down and provide nutrition for your plants. If you have enough compost, you don't need to use the granular fertilizer. If you have enough compost to use, say a couple or three across all of your beds to top it off. But since we don't have as much compost as we'd like, we use this as well. This is a 25-pound bag of organic granular fertilizer. We want to make sure you get organic granular fertilizer, and you want to get numbers that are roughly equal. And this one's 222, which is good. Also, you can do 555. So highly recommended, and go to Costco to find this. Again, this is only a seasonal item, so you're going to have to buy it now for use in the fall and winter. So these are three really high quality and very, very low cost organic items that we use in organic garden. So anyway, if you find them in Costco, I highly recommend that you get these. Happy shopping.